Hello friend, this is Dharmendra once again with my new video. In this video I am going to tell you about different command like mirror, trim, extend and offset, which are quite useful for any type of drawing, likewise mechanical, civil or electrical. You can use frequently all these commands. Okay, now first command is mirror. First command we are going to discuss is mirror. Okay, for mirror command we need to have a object draw an object using line command or any type of if this is an object, we want the mirror image of this object, we will press MI enter. That means mirror, similar and opposite. Mirror means the object will be similar and opposite. MI enter, select object, enter, specify first point of mirror line. Pick any distance from the object, then specify mirror line. We will click the next point and press enter. Okay, it will ask to erase source object. We will press N. We don't want to erase the source object. So this was all about mirror. In big prospect, if you want to draw, we are using arc here. We want mirror of this arc. We'll specify first point, then the mirror line. Okay. This way we can draw any object using mirror line. Even we can mirror these leaves this way. Okay. Okay, now you got it that mirror is used for similar and opposite object. Our next object is next command is trim command. Trim command used for trimming or cutting the crossing line. Trim. Just draw a perpendicular line or vertical line, then draw a horizontal line. Okay. Okay. Now use trim command. Press TR, double enter, and click any crossing object which you want to trim. Like this. Okay, the single source object will be not deleted. If you are clicking here, it will not remove or it will not delete. Okay, any kind of crossing object, any type of crossing object. If you want to trim any type of crossing object, here double enter, click here, and most interesting part is that if we are using trim, then while pressing shift, trim becomes extend. If you are pressing shift and clicking here, it's extending the line. Okay, so this is the unique thing about trim. When we press trim while when we press shift while trimming, it will extend. When we press shift while extending, it will trim. Okay, now you need to remember this point, that shift changes the nature of the command. Now extending the object, extend and trim are opposite command, which is quite frequently used in a drawing. Extend. EX, double enter. If there is any target object, extend is used for extending the line towards target object. This is the target and this is the object which is going to be extended. EX, double enter, click on the line which you want to extend one by one. The thing which we have discussed, that while pressing shift, the nature of extend will change. When I am pressing shift, the extend command becomes trim command. Okay, now you got it. This way we have learned about how to extend and how to trim a crossing line. Our next command is offset. Offset is quite popular. In any project we need to use offset quite frequently, and offset is the main command for drawing any architectural or civil plan. Okay, first take a line of any length. I am taking here this unit, 20 unit. Okay, now use O enter for offset. Provide offset distance. If I am taking 2 mm as an offset distance, we need to just click and drag, click and drag, click and drag, click and drag. This way we can make multiple copies of okay. Now you are getting this command is also we can use on circle. See enter, 1 unit we are taking as O enter, and the offset distance we are taking 1 unit. Press in, click and drag inside, it will make multiple copy of that circle. If we are going outside, it will extend outside. We can also use this command on rectangle or any kind of polyline. Offset 1 unit. So it's quite popular command which is helpful in any kind of drawing. That is all about offset, trim, extend and mirror. Hope you have enjoyed. Hope you have liked this beautiful tricks of drawing. Use it, practice it at home, and like my channel and subscribe it. Thank you.